Hey everybody, I just got back from practice and I did great today. The car is in a good place, so let me share with you what I did this morning. I have new tires throughout. I noticed the old tires were starting to tear at the corners a little bit, so I swapped those out. I put on harder sway bars and harder springs in the front and a softer sway bar and softer springs in the back. I also changed the roll center of the rear, and I did that by moving the camber link here. I moved it in one hole, and this link right here, I moved it from here to here, and I also moved this in one hole as well. So I changed the roll center of the back of the car. I also turned down the expo on the servo, and I also shortened the travel as well. I noticed I was turning into the wall on inside turns, and I noticed I was just overturning. So I decided to make some adjustment to that. And before I put the car out for practice, I sauced the rear tires completely with Paragon ground effects, and I also did half of the front tires. And then I waited 10 minutes before I went back out there. I took 2 easy laps, and then I started really practicing. So let me show you how I did today in the footage.
5 minutes.